there were 90 boys and 48 girls at the canteen at first, and equal number of boys and girls left the canteen. 20% of the remaining students were girls. How many remaining students were there in the canteen? Now, to do this question, we need to identify the keywords, which is an equal number of boys and girls left. So when this happens, this is actually a difference unchanged problem sums. Alright? Why is that so? So let me explain using the numbers here. Let's say the boys 90, girls 48. Alright, and let's say, for example, okay, 20 boys and 20 girls left. Okay, so you take away an equal number. The difference between the before is 42, right? 90 minus 48, that's 42. And the after, 70 minus 28, is still 42. So you see, this is what is meant by difference unchanged. Alright, so what we do is this. We find the difference at the start. (90 minus 48), and that will give us 42. Alright, and this difference will be applied to the after case as well, to the remaining students. So if 20% of them were girls at the end, how much fraction is that? That will be 20 out of 100. That will be 1/5, which means that 1 unit will be for girls in the end out of a total of 5 units. And this tells us that the boys will be 5u minus 1u. That will be 4 units of boys. And since we know the difference between the boys and the girls did not change, 4 units minus 1 unit, that is 3 units. And these 3 units will be the same as the difference at the start. 1 unit will be equals to 42 divided by 3, and that is 14 students. Alright, so how many remaining students were there in the canteen? And that will actually be 5 units. 14 times 5, which will give us an answer of 70 students.